2025 BMW M5 was Spied with a plug-in hybrid powertrain. And you know what? It's going to put the M5 CS that we see here to shame. The E60 BMW M5 is regarded as being one of the most exciting executive super sedans out there. I remember a long time ago, back in, I don't even know what year it was, but I remember an M5, it had to be at least 20 years ago, when an M5 sped right past me, and that thing was a beast. A super executive sedan. A glorious V10 it had. I think that was the one, that was the E60, that V10. And it didn't have a reliable reputation either. And a lot of times, you know, they say it was, you know, it was fast, but it was not as dynamic. They have come a long way, especially with the M5 CS that we see here. It was eventually succeeded by the F10, which brought the 10 turbocharged 4.4 liter V8. And that was the recipe that has been maintained up until the current one, the F90, which has been around since 2017, folks. Now, it may not show that age, but the BMW M division has started working on a successor. And it's been testing and seen out in the open, as you see in this picture here. And more recently, a prototype has been snapped to as well in Sweden. And being driven on snowy roads, so the winter testing that is, folks. The mandatory hybrid test vehicle stickers on them stand out. And if you zoom in, you can see that the front fender, there's a disguised charging port, which means it might be a hybrid with a twin turbo V8 assisted by electric motors. 750 horsepower, 737 pound-feet of torque. Could you imagine that? If you can keep those numbers, the M5 is going to be more powerful than what we see here, the M5 CS. A beautiful evolutionary design with next generation M5, smaller headlights, and a grille that won't be as big as the M3 grille. Now the distance between the axles and everything else is going to be about the same. So you can expect the interior space to still be about the same. And especially with those quad exhaust tips, they're also going to go over to the hybrid version as well. Hopefully. And the tail lights shouldn't change that much. The new 5 Series is believed to be presented. It's going to be presented in about a year. Zero emissions, accompanied with the i5, the all-electric zero emissions, that is. The executive super sedan is going to debut sometime in 2024. We can't wait to see it. But with this CS, I mean, this is the best M5 now that's out there. And yes, there's an electric one coming. And it's going to be more powerful than this one that we see here, the CS. You guys, this is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.